Ready, Sam?
And action!
Okay. Yep. Ready? Here it comes. Swing!
And this is where the ball went. Over here. And it went maybe 6 feet or 7. And, oink! Here's another one.
Here we go. Ready? Watch this ball. Good practice swing. Here we go. Ready, Sam? Oh, good swing. Ready? Ready. Swing!
Oh! Strike one! I'm supposed to stay on the camera.
Good practice. All right, batter up. Okay, here we go. Good practice. Ready? Get ready. Swing! Oh! Yay!
Strike two. Up, Sam's going to get the ball. Pass it around.
Samuel, have another one. Ball. You want to hit it? You want me to help you hit it? You want me to hold you and hit it? You want me to hold you.